In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage alert preferences. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your notification controls, how to tailor them to your needs, and how to confirm everything is working the way you expect. Start by signing into your account, then head to Settings or Account Settings. This is usually found under your profile picture, a gear icon, or in the main menu. If you see multiple tabs inside Settings, don't worry, just stay put. We'll navigate to the right place next. Next, look for the section labeled Alerts, Notifications, or Preferences. Different platforms use different names, but they all point to the same thing: the controls that determine what you get notified about and how. Click or tap to open that section. Here, you'll see a list of alert types, such as email, push notifications on your phone, SMS text messages, and in-app alerts that appear while you're using the software. Take a moment to read what each alert covers. Some are informational, like summaries or promotions, and others are time-sensitive, like security notices or account activity. Understanding what each one does helps you keep the important stuff visible and the noisy stuff out of the way. Quick note while we're here: if you need the mobile app, you'll find the download link at the top of the description. Prefer using a browser? The website link is also right at the top. Grab what you need so you can follow along on your device. Now choose how you want to receive alerts. Use the toggles to turn specific alerts on or off, and select your preferred method: email, phone, or app notifications. Keep in mind that email is great for records. Push is fastest for immediate attention. SMS can be useful when you're offline, and in-app alerts are good for when you're already signed in. If anything feels unnecessary, go ahead and disable it. Reducing non-essential alerts helps you notice the ones that matter most. Many people keep security and billing alerts on, and turn off promotional messages, but choose what suits your workflow. When you're done, save your changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Update button, and wait for a confirmation message or check mark so you know your preferences were recorded. If there's a test alert option, use it to make sure everything is working. Send the test and confirm it arrives through the channel you selected. If it doesn't, revisit your choices and save again. That's it. Your alert preferences are now set. If this helped, give it a like, and don't forget to check the description for the app download and website links. Thanks for watching.